TOYO Tires has unveiled its new brand manifesto, Buatan Malaysia, Keunggulan Jepun, highlighting its commitment to Malaysian manufacturing and Japanese engineering excellence. The manifesto reflects the company's locally manufactured tires produced by a fully Malaysian factory workforce and supported by more than 8 decades of Japanese technology and innovation. TOYO Tires Malaysia said the combination of local craftsmanship and Japanese precision allows the company to offer premium quality tires at affordable prices.
TOYO Malaysia is the only local multinational tire manufacturer with 100% local talents. We contribute to the nation's prosperity by creating jobs and driving economic growth. Our plant leverages Japanese technology to achieve premium tire quality standard at competitive price, tailored specifically to meet the needs of Malaysian motorists.
Close research and development collaboration between Malaysia and Japan allows continuous knowledge sharing to improve tire performance.
A continuous knowledge exchange to upgrade next generation tire development using real world driving and drifting insight between Tengu and Japanese Kawabata to continuously improve product performance. And annual market surveys and analysis to understand local road conditions, weather patterns, and driving behaviors. Also, our Malaysian plant leverage Japanese technology to achieve premium quality standard to shape the future of modern mobility.
TOYO Tires also introduced 2 digital platforms, T-Care for consumers and E10 for dealers. T-Care users can enjoy up to 40 ringgit in Touch and Go e-wallet cashback and a 6-year tire warranty from the date of purchase. While E10 provides round-the-clock online ordering and improved inventory management. The company also announced contributions to 3 charitable organizations under its Community Prihatin Toyo initiative. In conjunction with Malaysia's 69th Merdeka celebration, customers purchasing 4 eligible tires from the 1st of August to the 30th of September can also receive rewards worth more than 500 ringgit.